Okay, we have a Matsuura twin pallet vertical machining center, model ES-550PC2, serial number 16456. Machine was new in 2005. We're gonna run it for you. Machine has a Matsuura G-Tech 840 DIS control. You have 18.11 inches in the Z, 16.14 in the Y, and 21.65 in the X. Machine's very quiet. All right, you have 2 pallets on the machine. The pallets are 23.62 by 14.96. That's 2,500? Okay. 5,500. 9,500. Again, this machine goes up to 15,000. You have a BT40 spindle, 30 ATC, automatic tool changer. Finding the tool, simulating a tool change. Okay. Again, this machine does have a pallet changer, and we have it here to be inspected under power. Thank you for watching our video. Did you get in there? Because